Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to remove your car rod end very fast and easy. Today I'm working on this Volkswagen Passat and this rod end is dead, is not longer usable. So earlier I tried to remove the top screw in order to release it, but the screw stripped out and the only method that I had was to cut it completely. Now, in order to remove it completely from the joint, what we have to do is to use a tool like this. I will put down below a link from where you can buy this tool, and I'm also using an impact gun because in this way it's easier to torque the screw from the tool. After the rod end is pushed a little from the joint, you can take a hammer and hammer it a little from the top until it's coming out completely. As you guys can see, the rod end came out very easy and quick. I recommend you to buy and use this tool because it's very fast and secure, and it's a very good tool if you want to remove your rod end and if you want to install it back onto the car because you're not damaging the rod doing this. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.